What is the Spotify Wrapped 2022 release date? Now that's the question that I'm going to be answering in this video. So let's get started right away. Now there is yet to be a clear release date of when it will be released, but we have some clear or some good information of when it can actually be released. So I'm here on the Spotify app right now, and you can't really like find anything in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to Google, and over here in on their social media, on Spotify social media, they've been posting stuff like this. For 2022 Wrapped is coming out soon, and they are saying like we're so ready and hashtag Spotify Wrapped. So everyone is like pretty hyped, and they're hyping it up as well. And this was posted 6 days ago, and it's currently the 28th, as you can see. Now, if you search for Spotify Wrapped 2021 date, then it says in 2021, it released on December 1st. In 2022, it released on December 2nd. And in 2019, it released on December the 5th. Which means that we're just very close. Just a matter of a couple of days. You can see, because this is the 28th. It might release on the 1st as well this year. Maybe the 2nd, maybe later. But I'm expecting it between the 28th and the 5th. So it's probably like in a week from now on. So it's pretty soon. And that's actually a good thing, because a lot of people are hyped for the Spotify 2022 Wrapped, which is pretty cool. Now, if this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it helped you out. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.